When you do solicitation to Lama Tsongkhapa, in the Guru Yoga, isn't there a part where you ask Lama Tsongkhapa to remain forever until the end of time, turn the wheel of Dharma 84,000 times? Well, have you met Tsongkhapa yet? Have you seen Tsongkhapa yet? By soliciting Tsongkhapa, it creates the karma for you to meet any qualified Lama to bring you onto the path. Okay, so if you are studying with a Lama and that Lama passes away, the merit that you collect with that Lama will transform or translate into you finding, after your Guru's passed, another one exactly the same that will give you and continue in the future life. The merit and the connection and the affinity never ends, because the purpose of you holding on to that Lama is not to meet him in every life. Actually, the real purpose is to become a fully enlightened being, then he's in your heart all the time. You understand? So therefore, if your Lama has passed away and there's no incarnation, you think, well, how do I continue? Well, Shakyamuni passed away, how do we continue? Tsongkhapa passed away, how do we continue? Do you understand the logic behind that? That's how we continue. Okay, relate that to everything. So whether your Lama's incarnation comes back or not, it doesn't make any difference on an ultimate sense. Be nice to have our Lama back. But you see, the whole purpose of having our Lama back is not to have our husband back or our lover back. The whole purpose is to continue on practicing the Dharma. So let's say that I didn't get to meet Saranchi immediately. I didn't get to meet Pabongka Rinpoche immediately, but I met Pabongka Rinpoche's elite student, Geshe Losang Tarchen, who was the same as Pabongka Rinpoche. It was like studying with Pabongka Rinpoche. But when I saw Khenso Losang Tarchen's picture the first time, I just thought, what a great Lama, and that was it. But when I saw Pabongka Rinpoche's picture, I cried, I freaked out. My hair stood up. I just went, oh. But I never got to meet the actual Pabongka, Deching Ningbo. But when I met a student, I received the teachings, Vajrayogini, the practices, my vows, my refuge from Pabongka's direct student. And during the teachings, he would quote Pabongka all the time. Do you understand my point? So what's the difference? When you do your prayers to Lama Tsongkhapa every day, isn't there a part where you solicit him to remain until time's end? To turn the wheel of Dharma 84,000 Dharmas. Don't you say that in the Ganden Klajama, Guru Yoga? Well, you've been saying that every day. Either Tsongkhapa is dead, which he is, and he has no blessings, which is not true, or it creates the karma for you to get the teachings one way or another. Does everybody understand that? Let's remember that forever.